Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to drip your homemade yogurt. Dripping your yogurt is a process of separating the whey from the milk solids and getting a thicker, creamier texture. Some yogurts turn out a bit runnier than others, and dripping your yogurt can give you a little bit more control so that you get the end result that you like, whether that's just a little bit thicker, a Greek style yogurt, or if you want to drip it longer, you'll get a really nice Luvele style product. You can lose more than half of the volume of the yogurt just in whey by dripping, so you don't want to waste that. We'll show you at the end of this video all of the different things that you can do with that whey. So I've got 2 liters of homemade yogurt here. It's nice and thick already, but I want it even thicker. I want it to be more like a Luvele. So I've got some fresh, clean muslin cloth or cheesecloth, and I've got a clean bowl to catch the whey underneath. You may like to use a sieve under the cheesecloth to just help it give some structure. Pour or ladle the yogurt into the center of the cloth, filling the sieve. The whey will begin to drip through the cloth immediately. You can leave the yogurt straining over the sieve, or you can suspend the cloth from a height. To do this, gently tie the cloth around a wooden spoon, being careful not to squeeze the yogurt. You can use a rubber band for extra security if you like. Balance the wooden spoon over the top of 2 tall containers or cans and hang it over the top of a large clean bowl to catch whey. You can leave your yogurt to drip for as little or as long as you like, depending on your desired outcome. For a thick Greek style yogurt, anywhere between 30 minutes and 2 hours should do the trick. You can leave the yogurt to drip for up to 24 hours for a thicker outcome. It's safe to drip your yogurt at a cool room temperature. If the weather is a little hot and humid, then you can also drip it in the fridge. So I'm back after 24 hours and you can see how much whey has come out of the yogurt while it's been dripping. We've now got a really nice firm and creamy Luvele style dripped yogurt. Let's open it up and have a look. So you can see how different the texture is now. It's super nice and creamy. This is much like a cream cheese, except it's got that really nice light, fresh, tangy flavor. You can use it for savory or sweet, and it's still got all that probiotic value from fermenting the yogurt yourself at home. So we've got our dripped yogurt here that's looking really nice, but you don't want to forget about this stuff here, the whey that's been dripped out of the yogurt. There's plenty of uses for this. It's loaded with probiotics and it's really good for you. If your whey is nice and clean and clear, then you can store that for up to 6 months. There's some more tips and tricks on storage on the blog, so check that out. Now I'll run through all the different types of things that you can do with this whey. One of the great uses for leftover whey is to use it as a starter for your next batch of homemade yogurt. So you would use around 1/4 cup and add that to your heated and cooled down milk before incubation. One of my favorite uses for whey, and a great way to add probiotics to your regular diet, is to just add it to your smoothies. You can also use whey to help activate nuts, seeds, grains, and legumes. It helps to break down any anti-nutrients a little quicker than just using water. Some other great options are to use it as a starter culture for other fermented foods like sauces and pickles. You can use it for breakfast for soaking oats or chia seeds, for baking in place of liquids like milk or water, for dips, dressings, sauces, and mayonnaise to add a probiotic boost, as a meat tenderizer, and even for skincare, hair conditioner, and pet food. You can use it to make ricotta cheese, or you can add it to your compost and give it a really good nutrient boost. So there you go, we've dripped some yogurt and we haven't wasted this whey. You've got plenty of options there. There's so many things that you can do with homemade yogurt. There's lots more information on dripped yogurt and how to use whey. So check out the blog and happy yogurt making. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a like for us and we'll be back soon with another recipe.